Okay, first thing you need to do is go to capcut.com. Once here, go to Create New. Now you can select a blank canvas or a specific aspect ratio. I'm going to do 16:9. Now click Upload to upload a video. Perfect. Once your video is uploaded, you can go over here to Captions. You'll have a few options, but for the sake of this video, we're going to do Auto Captions. Click here. Select the language your video is in, mine is in English, and click Generate. Okay, as you can see, captions have been automatically generated. You can see them down here. I just created a simple video for this video, which is a black video with me saying, and this is how you add captions or subtitles in Capcut. And this is how you add captions or subtitles in Capcut. There you go. Now, to move the captions around, you can hover this playhead over them and click and drag wherever you want them. And you can select different fonts and add different styles to the captions over here. You can also select a different style by clicking presets. Let's do this one, for example, or this one, or this one. And once you're ready, simply click Export to end your video.